There's a plea this evening to cane farmers in South Clarendon to remain calm. It came from Agriculture Minister Audley Shaw, who insists their crop will be trucked and processed as promised. TVJ's Dwayne Anderson has more in this primetime news follow-up.
Since last week, trucks have been hauling cane from Monymusk in Clarendon to the Appleton and Worthy Park factories in St. Elizabeth and St. Catherine. That became necessary due to the closure of Monymusk, which left cane farmers without a factory to process their crop. By the Agriculture Minister's estimation, things are going good so far. But Audley Shaw fears trouble may be on the horizon because some of the crop in South Clarendon will not be ready until March. He is therefore assuring farmers that enough money and resources have been set aside to sustain the program until the rest of the crop becomes ready. So there's no need for reckless action.
There is no need to be any uncertainty. There are no shortage of trucks. The companies have put up a lot of trucks that are able to transport the cane. And there will be no need for anybody to try to use any intimidatory tactics to try and go burn down cane in order to ensure that it is reaped right away. Please do not even consider that. That's out of the door, out of the ballpark, out of the window, because we have put in place. I met with the Worthy Park people. I met with the Appleton people. And they have given me their 100% assurance that every piece of cane that is reaped down here will be processed at those factories.
The minister said a committee has been set up to record complaints, and affected farmers should use that channel. In the meantime, $100 million has been set aside to assist the more than 200 factory workers who have been displaced by the closure of the Monymusk sugar factory.
Starting the end of this month, first week of March, we're going to run payroll for you. Okay? We have to run payroll for you. I can't let this happen to you.
The authorities say a buyer is being sought for the Monymusk sugar factory, but nothing is likely to happen before 2020. 5 companies have already expressed an interest in the plant. Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.